Company vehicles, do you have a policy regarding this? I want to share what happened at our recent meeting regarding company vehicles. I'm Ron Ramsden, DYB coach, also painting contractor, so I feel your pain in a lot of these areas. Well, last Saturday I was driving down one of our busy roads with all the stores on it. We all have one of those Home Depot, Lowe's, on and on and on and on. And one of my vehicles was going the other way. Well, the funny part is we weren't working last Saturday. And our company policy, if you do not have a company policy regarding vehicles, you should get one. Well, our company policy states that we don't bring the trucks back to the shop every day. And I know some people have their trucks left at the shop. The employees go to the shop, punch in, take the vehicle, and either meet their crew or the crew goes with them. Well, we don't use our shop that way. Our crew leaders, as a perk, get to drive the vehicles home. Well, but it also states that these vehicles are for work only. In our meeting, I brought that up. I realized who it was because I saw that I know it's a certain vehicle this guy drives. And I said, and I'm bringing this up because I saw the vehicle on Saturday, and he explained that his wife had the car. She was gone for the day. He needed something at Home Depot, and he just ran down and picked it up. But what they don't realize, and I honestly think it's just an honest mistake, what happens if something happens with that vehicle? What happens if there's an accident? Whose life is on the line? Whose business is on the line for this? It's yours. And if that truck gets in an accident on a quick little run to Home Depot on a Saturday afternoon or going to church on Sunday morning, if that truck gets in an accident, that is going to interrupt the pay for multiple people the next day or for multiple days until we can replace that vehicle. And all in all, who's the cost going to come out? You can say the employee has to pay for it, but does the employee have the money to pay for it? So all in all, it's coming out of your pocket. So what we like to do is we like to state in our employee policy regarding vehicles, the company-owned vehicles, is they go from point A to point B. I realize if they have to go to the market on the way home, they might stop at the market, grab something for dinner. I'm okay with that. But these vehicles, and you have to remind them, especially if they're doing side jobs, these vehicles are not going to a side job. But it's better to be proactive, take a lighthearted approach, explain to them why this is such an important policy. And then also the wear and tear. We don't always think about it, but if employees running around with this, it's just added wear and tear, added miles, and all in all, it comes out of your pocket. So if you explain that to them, if they don't agree with it, maybe they're not the right one who should be driving that vehicle. Anyways, I hope this will put a little thought in your mind today regarding company policy on vehicles. If you don't have one, you should please put one together. Email me, we can get you one. I'm Ron at DYB Coach. You can find me at ron@dybcoach.com. Find me on Facebook, send a message. Anyways, I'm just trying to protect you, protect your vehicles, and make sure everybody's on the same page. Have a great day.